guys, today I'm going to be doing a sick prank on my dad. He's currently in the shower, and you know what's about to happen. We're gonna go in there, and we're gonna jump scare him and get a reaction. Hopefully it'll be pretty funny, we'll see what goes on. Alright guys, we are about to go into the bathroom and scare my dad. Hit me yelling probably gives it away already, but here we go. What's up? Dad? Dad? That's right, my dad hasn't been home from the grocery store in 12 years.
I guess we should see what's in this bag then. I don't know what it would be. Meat. Oh dear God. It's not another one of these weird things where food just enters my house, or apartment rather, unknowingly, is it? Peppers. What's these? Oh. Mushrooms. What? Where did this come from? Shish. Oh God. Well, my phone won't focus. But that's if you can read, that says shish kebab. So I guess we're making shish kebabs for this next cooking video. All right. So now I guess I'm just gonna read off all the ingredients we need. We got vinegar, catsup. I know you can't see me touching the bottles, but I am. Soy sauce, lemon juice, Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper, cooking oil, a clove of garlic, Italian seasoning, sugar, and dry mustard. So here's the thing about doing this though, is I mix all this stuff that I just named off into a bowl with this meat, but I have to marinate it overnight. So this is going to be the longest cooking video in the history of the world on my YouTube channel. I didn't say it's the longest video in the history of the world. It's the longest in the history of the world that's going to be on my channel. I'm not funny, I know, I apologize. So I guess now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a bowl, then I'm going to start putting all of this stuff together, and then you'll just see me do that, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys when I'm done. I've never really done anything with garlic before. As a matter of fact, I had to have my dad, yes, my dad came back. I had to have my dad show me how to open up the garlic because I'm a stupid millennial. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I'm probably not. Oh, here we go. Never mind. I'm doing it right. Alright, I guess now we'll just start throwing everything into the bowl that we got cut up. They're kind of big pieces. I don't know how big they have to be. Alright, so next, let's do a half cup of oil. Bang. There we go. Hope you didn't see my face there. That'd just be awful for you guys. I'm sorry. A teaspoon of Italian sugar. I'm stupid. I'm trying to like shake it. Hold on a second. What am I doing? I'm trying to like shake it through the little holes underneath this thing. Why don't I just take the cap off and pour what I want? I don't even remember my cooking teacher's name, but she would be very disappointed in me for not realizing to take the lid off when you need to do something like that. Alright. The ground mustard is now in, so the next part we are going to do is the teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and I'm going to learn from my mistakes. The Italian seasoning looks like catnip. I don't know if we can... It looks like catnip. Oh, I wish they were all that easy. Thank you, catnip. Look at... Alright, got the oil, the garlic, the Italian seasoning, the dry mustard. Now, two teaspoons, or tablespoons rather, of sugar. Quarter cup of vinegar. Oh, this actually does not smell all that bad. A quarter cup of ketchup. Four tablespoons of soy sauce. Not gonna lie, I like teriyaki more than soy sauce, but I'm going with what the recipe wants. One. I wonder if I should be mixing this in while I'm pouring everything together. 2. 3, 4. Now next is the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Alright, now we need the 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1. Oh, that might have been, that's a little bit more than 2, but that's okay. Now we just need salt and pepper to taste. I just want to be clear. I am not a real chef just because I have the shaker things. These are like $1. I am not a chef. I'm Salt Bae. Look at me. Oh my god, that was the dumbest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Now I guess I'm just going to stir everything up. And then when we got everything stirred up, we're going to put the meat in. And then we will let it marinate for the time it needs to be marinated. That's what it looks like with all that stuff in there. That looks gross. Oh my god, that actually started out really difficult. That gave me a fight. This smells amazing. You know what I should start doing? I doubt I'll even make that many cooking videos, but if I do make them regularly, I could leave like the recipes for the stuff that I made in the description if you guys want. That's of course if you guys want. So let me know if you do want that. Look at that. That actually looks like a decent sauce. I'm doing this completely wrong, and I understand, but I realized when I put the meat in here, it wasn't broken up, so now I gotta do it with my hands. I think I'm doing this wrong anyway. The day that we made this in class, I wasn't there because I was sick, you know? And when I look back on all those sick days I took when I was in high school, it was just me not wanting to go to school. And if any of you guys are in high school or anything watching this, just go to school. It just helps everybody if you go. So now we just let it marinate for the 24 hours it needs to be marinated. And then whenever we come back, we will cook the meat. So I will see you guys in 24 hours.
Day 2.
You know guys, I've been thinking about it. I've been playing a lot of Lifeline lately. I think I'm gonna make Pathfinder my new main because, you know, he has literally no down... Oh! The timer, it's done. Okay. Let's go continue the cooking video. The meat's done. Oh, that smells fantastic. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take all of this out and start cooking it in here. I also got some peppers and vegetables. Oh, peppers and vegetables. I might try something that you guys might not like. I might try dipping it in what's left of the sauce I made, like these things, and then maybe cooking them in that. Like, I don't know. I just think that might be tasty. I don't know. But we'll see how everything turns out. So, here we have our skewers for the shish kebabs. And basically what I'm going to do now is go fast and put all of the meat in here. I also should have pointed this out, but if you want to see another cooking video, this one has to get 20 likes. And I'm sorry this one took a little bit longer to get out, but I realized only last week that the one that had to get 15 likes got 18. And we also got a few subscribers from that, so I thank you for everybody that subscribed and is enjoying these videos. It means a lot to me. Again, if we get 100 subscribers, I'll make a cooking channel and do weekly cooking videos, but then I would need you guys to suggest more things to cook. And you gotta make it reasonable, because I'm not a gourmet chef here. All we have to do now, it says to place the meat and the meat on skewers and everything and cook them that way. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cook these individually and then put them on skewers individually. So while this is cooking, I'm gonna cut up some of these, like the peppers and everything. And then when everything's all done, I'll put it on a skewer. We'll just start on medium and we'll get that going. So now, while this is cooking, I'm going to check on it too. We're going to start cutting up the peppers and mushrooms, and then maybe I like to saute my things whenever I'm working with stuff like this. Like, listen, I'm starting to talk like a chef. What am I doing? I don't particularly know how I'm going to cut these. I guess I'm just going to cut them flat like this. I don't know. Because I still want to get them thick enough to where I can put it on the skewer whenever everything's good to go. I think I'm gonna get the pasta draining thing. I don't know the name of it. Please don't judge me, but I think I'm gonna get that out and take the juice out because it's not cooking as fast as I would like it to. Hello, dog! I think we got enough peppers now. I'm gonna start cutting up the mushrooms here in a sec. I'm gonna cut them a little bit smaller. But actually, you know what? I don't think I need to, but this is really going now. But see, more juices are starting to come out. We only needed to use about half the mushrooms for the amount of peppers that we had. This might be dumb, what I'm gonna try and do, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna use what's left of the marinade and put everything else that we have in here in there. Who knows what this will be like? This could also be really good, or also be really bad and a mistake. Like my channel. Oh, that looks good. Oh, it's really strong smelling. No! Get in there. I honestly don't know if I want to eat that one now, but I probably end up will. I can't even talk. Please forgive me for my lack of knowing how to talk today. I apologize. Alright. We will now let this sit. We'll clean up a little bit and come back in a few minutes.
Later.
I think we're about ready to take everything off now. Everything looks about done. I could have done this better. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm making a mess. You know, that was mainly a mess, but that's nothing we can't pick up. Well, since we are working with meat, my dog has become very interested, so now we're just gonna put these together now. They're probably gonna be really hot and I'm gonna burn myself, but that's okay. I'm gonna try a piece on its own first. That is exceptionally good. Alright, there is our shish kebab. So, I've already tried the meat. I'm not sure how the peppers and everything will taste, but here we go. That is so good. That sauce we made, that's one of the best sauces or marinades for anything I've ever had. That is so good. If you guys want, I can pin in the comments the recipe so you guys can make everything at home for yourself. It's so savory. The taste is just savory. It's just so good. Sharing is caring, guys, so Margie's gonna get a bite. Margie, go. Here you go. Sharing is caring. Be sure to give your pets food, and she doesn't even chew it because she's a cow. Aren't you, cow? A cooking video on my channel would not be complete without me drinking my favorite drink. Sobe. Strawberry daiquiri Sobe has become my favorite drink. Although this took the longest, I think this is my favorite thing I've made so far. The nachos were pretty good, but this is my favorite thing. Mainly, it's my favorite thing mainly because I missed out on it in school, like I said earlier in the video. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the cooking video. Sorry if this one's a little bit long, but I just wanted to get everything I could into the video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. We're one away from 70 subscribers. Nice, by the way. Yeah, if we get to 100 subscribers, I'll make a cooking channel and do weekly cooking videos. But again, you guys are gonna have to tell me what you guys want. If you want another cooking video on this channel, this video needs to get 20 likes. Okay, so we gotta get 20 likes. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel too. I'm mainly a gaming channel, and I think they're pretty funny videos. And if you do enjoy those videos, please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And yeah, this has been the Shish Kebabs, and thank you all for watching.